This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Contacts' right arrow Accounts. Add account and choose Google. Sign in with your Google credentials and grant access. Once authenticated, make sure the Contacts toggle for that Google account is switched on. This step connects your cloud address book to iOS. Once done, you don't need extra apps. iOS will pull Google for contacts. Make sure you use the Google account that actually contains the contacts you want to view. Once the account is added, open the Contacts app and tap Groups to ensure your Google account is selected so its contacts are visible. Pull down in the contacts list to force a refresh. This prompts iOS to fetch new items immediately. Next, set Settings right arrow Contacts, right arrow Default Account to Google if you want new contacts to save there. Make sure your phone has internet access and that Contacts is enabled for the correct Google account before proceeding to final checks. To finish, double-check Settings right arrow Contacts, right arrow Accounts, and confirm Contacts is on for your Google account. Also inspect Fetch New Data to ensure push or an appropriate fetch schedule is enabled so changes arrive promptly. If contacts don't appear, remove and re-add the Google account, re-authenticate and watch for two-factor prompts. One key troubleshooting tip: if contacts still fail to sync, log into Gmail on a browser to verify the contacts exist, and then toggle the contacts switch off and on in iOS to force a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.